Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life. This is a supplementary film because I've done the seafront after the storm last night, and that was in completely A1 shape. But I'm just going to show you a few of the places that have suffered a bit. I think this car park gets flooded each year. There's nothing new there. But don't try and park your car there. Now we're in the heart of Paphos, and there are a lot of branches down here. This is just behind Baywatch Bar if you're trying to get your bearings. Oop. Oh God, that was muddier than I thought it was. So you can see here. Now I should stipulate that most of Paphos is not like this at all. I've already done a film of the seafront, and that was pretty much as normal now. And I drove down Tomb of the Kings Road to Elysium and Lighthouse Beach, and that was all back to normal. But in this little film I'm just quickly popping into the places I could see where there had been some more serious damage done. Also I want to show you this fountain, which normally has nice clean water in it, but because of all the mud that's been washed everywhere, now got a muddy brown hue to it. Oh, and there's Sofiana Resort and Spa. Survived the storm nicely. Have to mention them. A lot of debris around, but I go up to Old Town as well, because at the front of that especially I can see lots of trees down. Also the mayor posted a film last night because he was out supervising a bulldozer as opposed to driving it, I should say quickly, because they were clearing up even as the storm was still going on basically. Certainly looks a bit greener than it normally does here. I suppose someone doesn't have to prune as many trees as they would have had to. Oh, I might be getting stuck in some mud now. Gotta be careful. Oh. Ooh, this is going to be unpleasant. Oh, that's better. Whoop.
Okay.
Yes. Whoop. There you go. Right. Now we're at the viewing platform by Cafe Nero in Old Town, and already you can see, oh, it's a lovely smell though, because it's all the pine needles that have fallen down, and we're going to walk along the follow the road around basically of it for a bit. So yes, if you just watch this film, you might be alarmed about the state of Paphos, but don't be, because this is just a film I'm putting together after all the other filming, showing you the bits that we saw were worst affected when we drove down here. There'll also be a walking film of the seafront, which is perfectly fine. They had their Paphos running club run there this morning. And there'll be a driving film as well. There's even a 360 driving film. We'll be careful here because it's a bit slippery. Not sure what's happened there. Oh. They've already cut a lot of that tree down. But they were really on the ball in terms of getting stuff cleared up, I have to say. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. Okay, now. The restaurant's getting cleared up. There's a few trees down there. So there must have been some quite strong gusts of wind in amongst all the rain. There's another tree down over here. And basically, it's like autumn's happened in one night, as far as the leaves are concerned. But the final place I'm going to go to is on the B7, just next to Lidl, because the park there, we noticed on the way down, has been quite badly hit, so we'll go and have a quick look there. This is interesting actually. This is the road that goes through Old Town. You can see, looking at that, but this must have been a bit of a river last night, because that's the bottom part of a carousel that's been pushed against that bollard. So I will film a little bit more up here. Hope that shop was okay. Can't see any puddles in it. I'll be pleased to know. Mainly people just clearing up. Fair bit of gravel here as well. Not sure where that's come from. But yes, there must have been a fair old amount of water coming down here last night. Oh, there's the wife. This is the central Old Town car park. It's fairly early. Ooh, that seems to have suffered a bit. Cool. Sorry. Oh, there.
Look here.
Cool. Jeez. Get it from the other angle.
Oh my God. My God.
Is this your car?
Horrible. He will no good.
Finally, we are at the newly renovated playground they've got up near the B7 Lidl. And we noticed on the way down that the trees here had had a battering. I've been bothered by a fly. So we'll go and have a closer look. There's a big branch there. Is it the top of a tree or what that's come down here? And it's not like a new tree that's fallen down, that's an old one that's been there for years. In case there's any loose. Poor thing. And there were a load more up here. Right, there's some more trees down here. But aside from this, and I mean, I know the hospital roof had an issue, and there was a lot of water inside the hospital. They had big problems there, but most of Paphos seems to have fared lightly compared to what could have happened. So don't see this film and think Paphos is a disaster area or whatever. It's not at all. This is just a film showing the bits that we noticed had most damage. Okay, if you want to see the harbour and the seafront, what that's like, check out the Emma film. Cheers, thanks for watching.